Hello students, I hope you all are fine, and this is the last lecture of this year, or we can say of this course. After that I will start the revision. So this is already we have discussed about seven chapter. In this we have already discussed about the introduction, the factors affecting the climate of Asia, the climate condition during the year, the annual distribution of rainfall in Asia, the types of climate in Asia. And now this is the sixth point, which is Asia, natural vegetation and wildlife. So in this lecture we are talking about the natural vegetation and wildlife of Asia. So this is the first one, tundra vegetation. So these, obviously, if you remember the last lecture, so it is in the extreme cold condition where the snow is throughout the year. So what type of, so it is found in the northern Russia. Where it is found? It is found in the northern Russia and bordering with Arctic Ocean. So in this region, this type of vegetation is found. And basically, what is, because there is no tree, because in the snow, what can grow? So the only the mosses and lichen. It is also kind lichen. In some places it is called lichen, some call it is lichen. So these mosses and lichen are found only in this tundra region and covered with a snow most of the year. That's why this only mosses and lichens is found. If talking about the wildlife, what kind of wildlife? If we have seen the that snow area, or you have seen in the Discovery Channel, so you remember. So these are the polar bears, polar dogs, seals, walrus, penguins, and reindeer. So these all are the wildlife which is found in this tundra region. Next one, it is the Tiaga region. In Tiaga it means lesser than its tundra. It means it is not extremely cold, but it is colder region. Okay. So here it is found in the central part of Siberia. Where it is? Central part of Siberia. In what kind of trees are available here? The pine, fir, cedar, and spruce. These all trees are spikes. If we have, so because the snow can slow from here. Okay, here from snow can slip, so that's why they are coniferous. They are also called, the in biology you have studied the coniferous trees. Okay, coniferous trees like pine, fir, cedar, spruce, and provide wood pulp for the paper industry. What it provides? Wood pulp for the paper industry, because the weight is very low. Okay, and the timber for the different purposes, the timber is also provided, means lakdi which is provided for it. The wildlife which is present here, the tigers, but these tigers are white tigers. Okay, mink, silver fox, lynx, and the sable. So these all are the animals which are found in this Tiaga region. Then next one, it is the tropical deciduous forest. Yes, there are two terms, deciduous and evergreen. So you have to understand what is this. Deciduous, it means they shed their leaves in a particular season. Okay, the trees shed their leaves in a particular season. It is in Hindi called patjhad ka mosam. Okay, so you have to understand. And the evergreens are, it means the always throughout the years, they do not shed their leaves in a particular time period. It means same time. So that's why they are called the evergreen. But now talking about the tropical deciduous forest, it is found in the south, southeast, and east Asia, where receiving, it receives where the rainfall it is 100 to 150 centimeter rainfall, because it is in the tropic of Cancer, near to the area. Already have explained in the last lecture. What kind of trees are available? Teak, sal, sandalwood, peepal, neem, bamboo in our region, because we are also near to tropic of, and even tropic of Cancer is passes through it from the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, shade their leaves in a dry winter season. Okay, they have to shade their leaves in a particular, which I already explained to you. So this tropical deciduous forest is the specialty. They shade their leaves in a particular season, especially in the dry winter season. In the wildlife, what kind of animals are available? Elephants, tigers, lions, monkeys, leopards, rhinoceros, and especially king cobra snakes. Okay, it is a specialty of this tropical deciduous forest. Next one, it is the thorny vegetation. By name we can understand what is the thorny. The spikes, the कांटे इसमें लगे होते हैं. Okay, thorny vegetations found hot dry climate conditions. Where it is present? Where the hot dry climate conditions, especially in desert area, and the rainfall is very little. Okay, examples, the cactus is the best example, where the thorny bushes or shrubs are available. Leaves have spines. What they are having? Spines for the conserve the water. The contain spines for the conservation. Yes. Why these spines are available on this cacti plant? Because it conserve water, it absorb water, it protect from the losing water from the plant. Okay. It is the adaptation part, and they are having very long and wide roots for the getting water from deep inside the ground. Okay, it is also specialty. I think you also studied in the biology from class 6 onwards or from 4th onwards, so it is little bit related with the biology. You can get knowledge from it, or even you can use your knowledge from it. And the wildlife can live without water for a long period of time. Wildlife can live without water for the sorry, long period of time. Just like example is the camel. It is the most important example. The camel can live approximately 30 days without water because it conserve water inside its hemp. Next one, it is the equatorial evergreen forest. Equatorial evergreen forest, as I already explained, it is near to the equator. Here it is the equator, so near to the equator this type of climate, this type of vegetation is found. And we have studied in last lecture, this is the part this is the part where that daily 4 o'clock there is a shower. We can say that the 4 o'clock shower or the rainfall. Okay, and here it is found in the near equator, the hot and wet climate. The area, it is very hot in climate. Variety of trees are palm, fern, shrub, creepers. Okay, and especially there is a epiphytes species. You have already studied in the biology also, epiphytes species, just like the rosewood, ebony, mahogany, rubber, cinchona. So these all are the trees available in this region. And what is the specialty of this evergreen forest? They do not shed their leaves in a particular or in the same time. So that's why the throughout the year they are evergreen. It is a specialty of it. Okay, that's why it is called equatorial evergreen forest. And the animals which are available in this region are the monkey, sloth, tree lizard, ape, elephant, tree frogs, and snakes. So this is all about the lecture. Again, I am requesting you, you have to study this lecture before. First of all, you have to read the book, then you have to see lecture. Again, you have to read the book along with maps. If you do properly, if you study properly maps, then it is very easy to understand this. Okay, so I hope you understand this lecture. Your examination is very soon. Examination will be in the form of MCQ, so no need to take attention, but you have to learn the names, read the names properly, read the books properly. And still, if you are having any problem, dikkat, pareshani, duvidha, shanka, trouble, whatever you are, you can write, you can comment. I will try to answer it. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.